Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your ROI with AdRoll, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by signing into your AdRoll account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the AdRoll website and filling out the necessary information. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, particularly the campaign management section. To begin securing your ROI, click on the Create Campaign button. Choose your campaign type based on your marketing goals. If you're focusing on brand awareness, select Display Ads. For conversions or lead generation, choose Retargeting. Next, define your target audience by selecting demographics, interests, and behaviors. Utilize the audience segmentation feature for more precise targeting. Once your audience is set, move on to budget allocation. Decide on a daily or lifetime budget that fits your business objectives. AdRoll also allows you to set a bid strategy, such as maximizing conversions or impressions. After budget settings, choose your ad format. AdRoll supports various formats, including banners, native ads, and social media ads. Upload your creative assets, ensuring they meet the platform's specifications. In the next step, set your ad placements. Decide if you want your ads to appear on specific websites or within the AdRoll network. Review your settings to confirm everything aligns with your objectives. Once satisfied, click on the Launch Campaign button. Monitor your campaign's performance using AdRoll's analytics tools. Check key metrics such as click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per acquisition. Make adjustments where necessary, like reallocating budget or refining audience criteria. Regularly analyze the data to ensure your campaign is on track for ROI. For optimal results, consider A/B testing different ad creatives and strategies. Continuously refine your approach based on the insights gathered from your campaigns. With diligence, you can secure a favorable return on investment using AdRoll. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.